दिसतंय का? हॅलो, आवाज येतोय? ऑडिबल आहे का? हॅलो, कोणच बोलत नाही.
Audible, sir. Audible.
इकडून आवाजच येईना.
Yes, sir, audible.
Audible, sir.
It is audible, no? Okay.
Yes,
Blackboard is audible. Blackboard. It is visible.
yes, sir. It's
Up to
Invisible,
here.
sir.
Here. Clear.
yes, sir.
This up to this shall I go? Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So linear programming by graphical methods. This is our last articles in our OR. Graphical method is there. So last time we have gone through the introduction of our OR subject, the definitions, objective, methodology, history, development, and after that we have gone through the simplex methods. So already we have solved 2-3 problems. Formulation of the problems also we have gone through. Now this is the last method, that is the linear programming by graphical method. So here objective function it is given. This is the objective function subjected to given conditions. These two conditions are there. So we have to find out the x1 and x2 under these conditions. So in order to find out this, let us we consider so first equation, that is the 10x1 plus 20x2 less than equal to 120. So in this equation, first of all we have to make some coordinate for x1 and x2. So let us make one table. So here it is x1 and here it is x2. Correct. So in this equation, when x1 it is equal to 0, what should be the x2? When x1 it is equal to 0, what should be the x2? So here x1, suppose it is 0, then what is x2? x2 should be 6. So here it is 0 and here is 6. So reverse way, when x2 that is equal to 0, x2 this is the 0, then x1 this is equal to 12. Correct? This is equal to 12. So here it is a 12 and here it is 0. So this is the first equation related to given conditions. This is the first. So up to here it is clear. This is the objective function maximization conditions subjected to given this. So let us we consider first equation and we have to find out the coordinate of the same. So up to here it is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now after
Yes, sir.
after this we'll go for next one. So this equation numbers this 8x1 plus 8x2 less than equal to 80. So here also we can use same thing. So here when x1 this is equal to 0, so here it is 8x2. When x1 this is the 0, what should be the x2? So here it is a 10. So once again you have to make these tables like this way, x1 and x2. When x1 0, x2 10. In this equation, x2 0 means x2 0. What should be the x1? Again, here it is a 10.
10.
Yes, correct. Is there anybody having any problem? Huh? No problem. Hello? It
No
is clear
problem,
now? Okay. Now we'll go for making one graph related to this. So this table, two tables I will pick here. Two tables. This is one. So this is the table number 1 and this table number 2. So here I will make tables. Same tables I will take here. x1, x2, 0, 6, 12 and 0. Okay. Now we will make the graph related to this. So by using these tables, we have to make the graph. Here it is x2 and here it is x1. And here it is a 0, 0. Correct. So by using this, first you have to take first table, that is 0, 12. So here it is 0, so it should be 12 suppose here. So here is the 12, 0 coordinate for first point. Correct. This is the 0, 12. Correct. And 0, 6, this is 0. It may be here 0, 6. So here is the 6, 0. Correct. So 6, 0 or the x coordinate 0. So from this to this you have to draw the line. This is the one line. Correct. After this, next first table you have to take. The first table, that is the 10, 0 and 0, 10. So first table is 10, 0. So 10, 0 may be here. So here it is a 10, 0 and here it is a 0, 10 may be here. 0, 10. Correct. You have to join this point. Correct. So up to here it is clear. X2 here little bit change should be there. X2 should be X2 here. This should be 0. Here should be 6. So here 1 point. Here is 1 point. Here is 1 point. So 3 points you will get. So this is the point number 1. This is the point number 2. This is point number 3. Okay. So within this point, whatever region is there, so here it is visible region. Visible region. So remaining part, this is not useful to us. This is actually feasible, means you have to find out all these things within this hatching line. This is called feasible region. So let us we give the numbers for each. The numbers for each, that is the A, B, C, D. So here suppose this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D. So C point. So here C point you have to find out one coordinate because we are using a graphical method. Here we require graph. Here we require graph. So here should be 8 and here should be 2. So here it is 8, 2. 8, 2. So A, B, C, D, 4 points are there, and within this is the feasible region, and we have got 4 points A, B, C, D. Correct? By using this table and next table. So here is the 12, 6. This is our table number 2, and this is our table number 1 line is there. Okay. So this is our table number 1. This is the table number 2, and corresponding the x and y coordinates are given here, and point of intersection is here. Within this is the feasible. Okay. So I have got the concept how to make the graph by using these two tables. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Anybody having any doubts? It is clear now? Clear, or shall I repeat?
yes, sir. Yes.
Huh?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Now, next condition by using our first equation. So, what is our first equation? That is the 12x1 plus 16z. This is equal to 12x1 plus 16x2. This is our maximum condition. So, this is actually our problem. So, in this, related to point A, so Z related to point A, what is here? x1 0, x2 0. So, here 12 0 plus 16 0. So, here should be 0 related to this point A. Related to point B, so ZB. So, what is here? X1. What is here x1? Hello?
10,
Huh? What is x1 in this case? Related to B point?
10,
10. Okay. So here 12, 10 plus. What is x2? What is x0?
0.
So what is the answer? Shall I write here 120?
420.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now related to point C, because we are making this chart on the graph paper. So once the graph paper in our hand, then you will get the coordinate like this. So here ZC, what is the x1 here? Related to point C, 8.
8.
So here 12,
8.
8 plus 16 to how much? How much?
120.
120.
Next is
Now related to point D. Related to point D. So what is here x1? What is here
0.
x1? 0. So 0 plus
0.
16. What is x2 here? 6. How much here?
96.
96. Okay.
90.
Now you can observe this value, this. Out of this, which is the maximum? Which is the maximum? 120.
120.
Correct. So this 120 is the maximum. So you can put x1, x2 here, and maximum answer is Z is 120. So this is your solution. This is your solution. because here maximum Z is there, maximum Z, and corresponding x1, 8 and 2 means our quantity to in order to get maximum profit, the x1 means quantity 8 to be produced and quantity 2, that is x2 to be produced in order to get maximum profit. So this is our problem. This is our graphical method. Correct? So if you solve like this, then you will get 6 marks. 6 marks for this question. So anybody having any problems here? Shall we go for next problem?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now minimization. Minimize 4x1 plus 6x2 subjected to x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 8 and 6x2 plus x2 greater than equal to 12. So x1, x2 greater than equal to 0. So this is our problem. Correct? So this is the problems related to maximization condition. Correct? Or minimization condition.
Minimization.
Previous problems we have gone through the maximum, means whatever ultimate answer is there, in that you have to select the maximum. So in this problem, whatever minimum answer will be there, this is actually our answer for minimization condition. Now after this, let us consider this. So what is this? When x1 0, what should be the x2? So accordingly you can make this chart x1, x2. So related to our first equation, when x1 is 0, what should be the x2? Our
8.
x1 is 0, what should be x2? 8, correct? When, similar to this, when x2 is 0, what should be the x1?
8.
x2 is 8. So this is related to our first. Similarly, you can take next. So related to this, when x1 is the 0, when x1 is 0 means here it is 0, what should be the x2?
12.
What should be the x12? Correct. When x2 is 0, what should be x1? Hello? What should be x1? Hello?
2.
2. Correct. Now after this you have to make the graph. is x1, here it is x2. Correct? Up to here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So let us consider our first table. So here, first table, what is there? 8, 0. This is the coordinate for this 8, 0. And here it is 0, 8. 8, 0, 8, 0, and here is a 0, 8. 0, 8. So you can make the line like this way. So this is the line. Correct. So this is related to our table number 1. So here it is a 1. So what is the 2? 2, 0. So here it is a 2, 0. 2, 0 here. 2, 0, and here it is. Here it is 2, 0 and 0, 12. So it may be 8. Here should be 12. So here it is 0, 12. We can make the line. So this is the point of intersection. So this is the point of intersection. And so we can find out the coordinates for this, and we can give the name for this. So here is the coordinate is the, as per my calculation, this coordinate is like this way. If we make the graph, then it will be like this way. So which is the feasible region here? Which is the feasible region? Hello. So last in one graph we have gone for maximum and second is minimum. So what is the difference between maximum and minimum? Minimum conditions, whatever the point is there, minimum conditions you have to select like this way. Correct? And maximum condition inside this point, whatever region is there, that is the feasible region. That you have to remember. Maximum conditions, point of intersection, below this maximum condition, that is your feasible region. In minimum condition, this side, this is your feasible region. Means your feasible region is this one. This is the feasible. Feasible region. So this is actually different. The point of intersection, right hand side when minimum condition, left hand side when it is a maximum condition. The previous problem we have gone through this, that is the maximum condition, and this side it is the minimum condition. And you can find out this point. So how many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Points are there, and accordingly you can put here. So you have to find out here A, then B and C. A, B and C points. A, B, C points. So here feasible region is this side. Means whatever points are there, that this point it is related to maximum condition, and above this is the minimum condition. Means here one more point. So this is your line, and this side, this part you have to consider. So here it is a A, here it is a B, and here it is a C. Only ABC points you have to consider. Correct? ABC points you have to consider. So now related to this, 4x1 plus 6x2. Now for point A, Z point A, what is their x1? What is their x1? What is their x1? 8. So here 4, 8 plus 6. What is x2 here?
0.
What is x2? 0. So what is the answer here? 48. Am I correct?
32.
Huh? 32. Then ZB. ZB, this point. So here 4, what is that x1? 0.8 plus 6, 7.2. Calculate this. How much? ZB, how much?
46.4.
46.4. So here it is 46.4. After that, you can calculate ZC. So here it is, what is x1 here? x1. What is x1?
0.
0. And x2 is? x2 is? What is x2?
12.
How much? So what is the answer? What is
72.
the answer? 72. Correct. 72. So 3 points are there. 1, 2, 3. Now which solution is the minimum in this case? This one, A. A point, this one. This is the minimum. Am I correct? This is the minimum. So quantity to be produced, x1 should be 8, x2 should be 0. Then minimum value you will get 32. So this is your correct answer. Okay. So this is the minimization graphical method for linear programming. Clear? It is very easy as compared to our analytical methods. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Ah, related to this analytical method, this is very simple method, and this methods you will have to see some gate question also. Once our chapters will get over, similarly gate questions will going to find out related to gate. So this is this type of problems is related to gate exam. Gate exam. So here 2 marks will be there related to this. It is so simple, correct? So shall we go for 3 constraints? Now up till now we have gone through 2 only. So we'll go for 3 constraints. Okay. So shall we go for next problem? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here three constants are there. So we will make three tables for this. Three tables for this. Table number 1, 2, 3. So three constraints, three tables. So here it is the one table, x1, x2, x1, x2, x1, x2. Tell me, related to first table, when x1 is 0, when x1 is 0, when x1 is 0, related to this, when x1 is 0, what should be x2? Hello?
5.
5. When x2 is 0, what should be the x1?
10.
10. Correct. Come to this table. When x1 is 0, what is x2? What is x2? When
2.
x1 is 0, huh? This is the 2. What is x2? Hello?
8.
8. When x2 is 0, what is x1? This is 0. What is x1?
2.
2. Correct? So, they are 0, 8, 2, 0. Correct? Now, related to this, when x1 is 0, what is here x2? What is here x2?
3.
Minus 3. And when x2 is 0, what is x1? What is x1? Hello? When x2 is 0, what is x2? Correct. Now, by using this, we can make the graph. So, let us consider first table. Let us consider first table. Zero 5. So, point how to make this three tables. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So, let us consider this. So, what is here x2 and x1? x2, x1. What is the x1 coordinate here? 0, 1, 10. So, this is our this coordinate. So, here 0, you come to here, you put here 10, 0. This is one point. Correct? Then, what is the corresponding point here? 50, x2 50. So here 0, 5, maybe here 5, suppose here 0, 5, 0, 5. This is the related to table this. Now we can join this. So this is our table number 1. Table number 1. Now let us we go to the next 0, 2. 0, 2 means 2, 0. Let's here 2, 0 point. And after that 8 means here 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us consider here 8. So here it is a 0, 8. Then you can join this. This is the table number 2. Table number 2. Next 0, 2 is there. The same point is there. Same point is there. Here it is 0, 2. But here a minus 3 is there. So here it is a minus 3. So here it is minus 3. Then from this point to this point you can join. So this is the table number 3. Table number 3. Here point is 0, 3. X2 is 0, 3. So here it is 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3. So this is this. So here if you go through the graph paper, my answer is related to C. My answer is related to C. That is the 4, 3. Means here it is a 4 and this side it should be 3. Related to this point. This is the intersection point. And within this point, so this region is feasible region. So this is the feasible region. So this is the feasible region. Okay. So here it is a 1 intersection point, 2 is there and 3 is there. So let us consider this 3 points A, B and C. Correct. Why we have not taken this point? Because why we have not taken this point? Because within this, above this axis, this point will not be there. And here it is a 1 point. But here, if we consider 1, 2, 3 points, within this we have to get 3 equations. So this is our second point, and this is our table number 1. So table number 1, 2 is there, but here table number 1 is there, and table number 2 is there, and table number 3 is there. 1, 2, and 3. Correct. So intersections of all these, within this we have to consider feasible region. Okay. Now let us consider ZA. So what is the ZA here? What is x1 in this case? So you can rewrite this equation: 100 x1 plus 60 x2. This is our Z maximum. So here related to point A. So Z point A. What is the x1 here? What is x1?
2.
2. Okay. So here 102 plus 60. What is x2?
0.
What is x0? So what is your answer?
200.
Then you can come to B. Read B. 100. What is their x1?
10.
10 plus 60. What is their x2? 0. How much here? 1000.
1000.
Then come to C point. So what is their x1? What is x1? Hello? C point. What is x1? Hello? 4 plus 3
4.
63. How much here? How much? How much?
80.
Huh? This is
580.
400. 580. Correct. So out of this, which is the maximum? This is our maximum. This is our maximum. So in order to get maximum profit, our x1 should be 10 and x2 should be 0. So this is the maximization condition for three variables, 1, 2, 3. Correct. Up to three variables, we can go through this graphical method. Okay. Anybody having any problem? Hello. 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 C point,
सर सी पॉइंट कसं काय डिराईव्ह केला
म्हणजे कोऑर्डिनेट कसे काढलेत काय?
4,3
हे पॉइंट कसे काढले काय? हा, हे तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, ग्राफ
हा
पेपर
येस
घ्यायचा आहे, ग्राफ पेपर.
हा येस येस
आलं का लक्षात? ग्राफ पेपरवर हे
हा हा
सगळे स्केल घ्यायचे.
हो हो
कसे स्केल घ्यायचे? 10 mm दॅट इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर. असे ग्राफ पेपरवर असं स्केल घ्यायचं आणि ह्या स्केलवर जे पॉइंट काढायचे.
हा येस
पॉइंट काढल्यानंतर हे जे ग्राफ पेपरवर
हा
कोऑर्डिनेट
येस
येतो. समजलं का?
हा येस सर येस
अजून शंका आहे का
हा
कुणाला?
येस येस
हा,
येस
हे सगळे ग्राफ पेपरवर काढायचं आहे. ग्राफ पेपरवर स्केल घेऊन काढलं नाही बरोबर yesterday I have got one syllabus from Solapur University. Your first chapter in the OR up to graphical methods you have to cover. Remaining that BGM method, dual phase method, sensitivity analysis, that part is already deleted by the Solapur University. So which methods we will not going to study. First is BGM method, then two phase method, and last theoretical theory is their sensitivity analysis. So this point is actually deleted in this coming semester. So you have to study this unit number 4 up to graphical method. Okay. So which points you have to get to this unit number 4? What is actually OR? Then objective of OR, methodology, history development, and application of OR. And after that, how to go for formulations of the problem in the industry. After that, you have to solve some problems of simplex method by using the analytical mathematical equation, and after this graphical. So this much point you have to get to the unit number 4. Correct? So unit number 4, only this much point. Whatever the syllabus last time in the last time or last month I have given, in that syllabus, recently I have got one syllabus from Solapur University. In that, big M method, two-phase method, and sensitive analysis. That point is already deleted. Means you have to go through the new syllabus. Okay. So which point you have to cover in new syllabus? Which point? OR means operation research definition. After that, history and development of OR, objectives, methodology and application, and after that, problems formulations, simplex method analytically, and simplex method graphically. So this much point you have to cover in the first chapter of OR. Are you getting what actually I told? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think 5 days before I have got one new syllabus from Solapur University. In that syllabus, these points are deleted. So you have to study up to graphical methods. That's all. Correct? So already we have covered 3 problems in simplex methods analytically and 3 problems in the graphical, and some theory part is there. Correct? So up to here, we have completed the unit number 4. So this unit number 4 is OR. Okay. After this, we go to the next unit, that is assignment and transportation, and last unit is the CPM and PERT. There is the end of our syllabus. Okay. So I think our time is over. Huh? How much? 10 minutes are there. Okay. Okay. So today we'll stop here, and next chapter we're going to study assignment and transportation. Just we can study for next chapter, assignment and transportation, unit number 5. So what is actually concept of this unit number 5? Just I will explain in brief about this, and then we'll stop. So unit number 5 is there, assignment and transportation problem. So in industry, suppose 3 machines are there, 1, 2, 3. 3 machines are there. This is the machine number 2, machine number 1, and machine number 3. And here 3 mans are there. This is the one, two, three, or let us also consider four. Correct. So here, which machine we can assign out of these four? So three machines are there, and four persons are there. So which machine shall we assign? For example, four will assign to M1. Why this is so? This thing you will get through the assignment. This one will assign to this. Why this is so? This will get under the assignment. So this is the concept of the assignment. This problem you have to solve in industry. Means assign the particular work for particular man, or you have to assign the particular machine for particular job. Sometimes here jobs are there, one job or two job 3 years. So job 3 number shall we assign here, here or here? Why? So this will assign here or this will assign here. Why? So this problem we have to solve under the assignment. The next is the transportation. Transportation problem. In this transportation, which things you have to go for? Suppose here, number one city is there, C. Then number two city is there, number three is there, and number four is there. Right? And here is your supply. Here is your supply. So material will go to this, after that this, after that this. Now, which is the optimum transportation cost? Because every time we have to pay the transportation cost. Correct? Now, which is the feasible? Shall we go directly from this to this to this, or we can go here, come back, and then we go here, like this. So, main thing under the transportation, that how to reduce the transportation cost. How to reduce the transportation cost. And here we have to study the assignment and transport. Assignment, assign the job to man, or give the materials or the jobs to the machine, or you have to assign the machine for particular job. You have to assign the machine for particular man. And transportation is you have to select the optimum travel so that transportation cost will get reduced. Here, this is related to cost. We have to reduce it. And this is related to assign. This is related to assign job, machine, or man. Correct? Job, machine, or man. Assign the job. And here, this is related to the cost of transportation. So this is our chapter number 6. Okay. So today we will stop here, and tomorrow we'll go through the assignment. Once assignment will get over, then transportation, and after that first CPM last chapter. Okay. So now we'll stop here. Hello. Okay, we will stop here.
Okay, sir.
The herbal expert in oral care. पता है अपना Amazon घर पर ग्रोसरीज भी डिलीवर करता है ग्रोसरी आपने Amazon पे हाँ महीने भर की और 30% तक की सेविंग भी हो सकती है Amazon पैंट्री पे 30% तक की सेविंग Amazon ग्रोसरी की अपनी दुकान
ये तो पूरी